Coco chose to be on the Highland Park field hockey team because
At first, my mom made me play field hockey, but this year I chose to do it on my own because all my friends were doing it, and since I played last year, I thought it was a good idea to play again.
Coco's position in field hockey is
I play midfield, but I used to play defense, but now I can run faster and dribble the ball better.
Coco's favorite team play is
Rapid fire because we get to take shots on the goalie one after the other.
drills in a field hockey practice are
They're really annoying and nobody likes them.
the field hockey games are
50 minutes with a halftime.
field hockey tournaments are like
They're very fun, but we play 4 games a day and we get extremely tired.
you can only hit the ball on one side of your stick because
The other side of the stick is round, and you can't do that in a field hockey game. I recommend this sport to my friends because it's fun and it's an easy way to get in shape.
the biggest foul in the game is typically
Raising your stick too high and hacking and letting the ball touch your feet.
the difference from last year in field hockey to this year is
More people joined and it has become more serious and lots more fun.
basic rules in the field hockey game is
The ball can't touch your feet and you can't hit other people's sticks, and you must be at least 7 feet away when someone's taking a free hit.
in a field hockey game there are
11 people including the goalie, and there's forward, midfield, goalie, defense, and a sweeper.
as the positions in the game.